Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869 in Porabandar, a small coastal town in Gujarat, India. His father, Karamchandra Gandhi, served as the Diwan, Chief Minister of Porbandar, while his mother, Putali Bai, was a deeply religious woman who influenced his spiritual upbringing. From an early age, Gandhi exhibited a strong sense of morality and compassion at 13. He was married to Kasturiba Makanji in an arranged child marriage, a common practice at that time. Gandhi education played a crucial role in shaping his future. After completing his schooling in India, he traveled to England in 1888 to study law at University College London. There, he was exposed to Western philosophies and lifestyles but remained rooted in his India's values. After becoming a barrister, he returned to India but struggled to establish a successful legal practice. In 1893, he accepted a contract to work in South Africa, where he faced racial discrimination firsthand. This experience became a turning point in his life. In South Africa, Gandhi encountered the harsh realities of apartheid and was subjected to humiliation due to his skin color. Once he was forcibly thrown off a train for refusing to move from a first class compartment reserved for whites. This incident ignited his passion for justice, leading him to develop the philosophy of satyagraha, truth force, and ahimsa nonviolence. He organized peaceful protests, strikes, and marches to fight for the rights of India's and other oppressed communities, spending nearly 21 years in South Africa refining his methods of civil disobedience. Upon returning to India in 1915, Gandhi emerged as a leader in the India National Congress, advocating for Swaraj, self rule, and the end of British colonial rule. He launched several landmark movements, including the non cooperation movements 1920 to 22, the Salt March 1930, and the Quit India Movement 1942, mobilizing millions of Indians across all social and economic backgrounds. His simple lifestyles, wearing handspun khadi, living in ashramas, and fasting for peace, made him a symbol of resistance and humility. Gandhi's approach to freedom was unique. He believed in winning over opponents through love and patience rather than haters. His famous Dandi March in 1930, where he walked 240 miles to produce salt in defense of British taxes, became a defining moment in India's struggle for independence. Despite facing imprisonments multiple times, he never wavered in his commitments to nonviolence. However, Gandhi's vision of united India was shattered during the partitions of India and Pakistan in 1947, which led to horrific communal violence. Heartbroken, he worked tirelessly to promote Hindu Muslim unity, even fasting to stop riots. Tragically, on January 30th, 1948. He was assassinated by Nathuram Godse, a Hindu extremist who opposed his tolerance towards Muslims. His last words, Hey Ram, O God, it wrote his lifelong devotion to truth and peace. Gandhi's legacy transcended borders. He inspired global leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and the Dalai Lama. His teaching on sustainability, equality, and non-violent resistance remain relevant in today's world. The United Nations declared his birthday, October 2nd, as the International Day of Non-Violence. More than just a political leader, Gandhi was a moral compass, proving that true strength lies in composition and truth. His life reminds us that change does not require violence, only courage, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in justice.